You ever open up your crisper and see that one carrot strain and not too sure what to do with it? Most times that carrot does end up in a soup or a pelau or coleslaw. This recipe for carrot muffins is a quick, easy and great way to utilize those stray carrots in your fridge. Sift 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour into a bowl, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cardamom, and a pinch of salt. Using a whisk, you want to make sure all the dry ingredients are fully incorporated. Now on to the wet ingredients. Yes, I know sugar is a dry ingredient, but we're mixing it into the wet so that some of it dissolves in the mixture. Add 1 cup of olive oil or vegetable oil and mix well. Add 2 eggs into the mixture and beat lightly. Add the dry ingredients into the wet and mix until they're fully combined. Fold in the 2 cups of grated carrot. Add equal portions into a muffin tray and bake in an oven preheated at 350 degrees for 22 minutes. Allow to cool and enjoy. Although I have to admit that I didn't allow mine to cool completely because these are best enjoyed while still warm with a nice hot cup of tea or coffee. The end product is a rich and moist muffin that you can enjoy for breakfast or as a snack, and you could go ahead and add like some chopped almonds, or you could add some dry pumpkin seeds to this. Actually, it would be a great combination. Full recipe is on eatahfood.com, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, give it a share, and if you do try it, please tag us in your photos on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.